Hometown heroes, are you in search of competitive mortgage rates and struggling to navigate the challenges of buying a home in today's market? Join us as we introduce the new guidelines of Hometown Heroes program. The program, which has been aiding new home buyers for 1 year now, has recently undergone expansion and significant enhancement. One notable change is the removal of occupation restriction. In just 5 days, on July 1st, 2023, the program will implement the new guidelines. In this video, we will explore how these changes can help you discover the path to your dream home. Let's make your home ownership dreams a reality. What is staying the same? The property being acquired by the borrower will serve as their primary residence and will be a Florida resident. The borrower or borrowers are first-time home buyers, which means a borrower must have had no present ownership interest in a principal residence at any time during the 3-year period prior to the day on which the mortgage loan is executed. Florida Housing offers multiple down payment assistance programs available to first-time buyers utilizing the Florida Housing Finance Corporation First Mortgage. If a borrower doesn't qualify for Hometown Heroes, there will be options for them to receive other down payment assistance programs. Don't miss out. Stay tuned until the end of this video to discover valuable insights about other Florida down payment assistance programs. Plus, I will break down some jargon financial terms that often arise during your mortgage process, ensuring that you have a clear understanding until final approval. Keep watching for essential information you don't want to miss. And inviting you to subscribe and collaborate on the growth of this channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest video insights and discussions. Starting July 1st, home buyers will have an additional option, Hometown Heroes TBA. This option will be available because even though the Hometown Heroes Bond program often has lower interest rate than the regular TBA program, it's imperative to remember that the bond program has some limitations. Property eligibility: attached, detached, 1-unit dwelling, including townhomes, 2 4-unit properties, condos, manufactured housing, 1994 or newer. All borrowers are restricted to a one-time participation in Florida Housing's homebuyer loan program. This includes all first and second mortgage programs. FICO and DTI. Remember that DTI stands for debt-to-income ratio, as is a measure for a borrower's ability to repay a loan. It is calculated by dividing the borrower's total monthly debt payments by their gross monthly income. It has a maximum DTI of 50%. However, for manufactured housing, the maximum DTI allowed is 45%. To be considered for the Hometown Heroes Loan Program in Florida, your DTI must not exceed 45% if you have a FICO score between 640 and 679. If your credit score exceeds 680, you can be approved for the program with a DTI score no greater than 50%. What is changing? The Bill SB 102 codifies the Florida Hometown Heroes Down Payment Assistance Program, retaining the structure as it exists while increasing the monetary limit per loan and the scope of eligibility. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis announced that the Florida Hometown Heroes program has provided $100 million in down payment and closing cost assistance to help Florida's hometown heroes. Borrowers can receive up to 5% of the first mortgage loan amount, maximum $35,000 in down payment and closing cost assistance. For the Miami-Dade County, the maximum loan amount will not exceed $723,200. Beginning on July 1st, reservations made for a specific occupation will no longer be required. Notice that under full-time employees retired is not an eligible category. Buyers must work for an employer that is a Florida-based company, meaning the employer must have a brick-and-mortar location in Florida. Buyers must work a minimum of 35 hours a week or more. What does brick-and-mortar mean? Borrowers working at a brick-and-mortar employer can confirm the employer address on page 1 of the Uniform Residential Loan Application, and this is the standard form used by nearly all mortgage lenders in the United States. Borrowers that work from home can confirm employer is a Florida-based business through the Florida Division of Corporation at www.sunbees.org if employer's registration reflects a principal address located in Florida. If you are a self-employed, you can show a copy of your 1099 form that confirms your employer is a company based in Florida. Make sure that the 1099 form includes the name and address of the company located in Florida. If you are self-employed and file a Schedule C, you can confirm that your business is based in Florida by ensuring that the Schedule C shows your business address located in Florida. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and engage with others by leaving your comments and opening new doors for questions and clarification. Now is the right moment to complement your buyer journey by downloading this impactful guide that will provide comprehensive coverage on what is happening in the housing market in South Florida. Why does buying a property or an investment property make more sense in today's market? Number 3, how to succeed in buying your dream home in 2023. And number 4, guide to the mortgage market. Number 5, 3 myths about FHA loans. Number 6, the essential calculation for every home buyer to know. And number 7, VIP invitation to the private group South Florida Currents. This helpful guide will be sent directly to your email inbox. If you don't see it right away, please check your spam folder. If you are still having trouble receiving it, feel free to contact me using the email address provided in the description. Sending you all the positive vibes, and well wishes on your exciting home buying journey. Remember, you have already got a team of professionals by your side, ready to guide you every step of the way. Download your ultimate 2023 buyer's guide.